customers in the wild. So we watch people. We're the person with the notepad behind the fern that's taking notes and watching what people are doing and taking pictures and video and everything else to create a better understanding of what exactly it is the people that live in this particular universe are looking for, what they need out of a product or service. The next thing we do is build requirements. So once we understand a little bit about the context, the universe that the people that we're trying to address live in, we develop requirements. So the things that they need in a technology or service to fulfill whatever it is they're trying to find, to have the experience they desire. Once we have these requirements, we can start to speculate about how we might solve that problem, whether it's through a technology or a service, once we understand what exactly it is that they are looking for in their universe. So we can start to do design. But along with design, we're also doing a different kind of research, what we'll call evaluative research. So we do these things together because they inform each other. So when we do design, we'll do rough design. We'll start very cheap, very rough. We'll either do sketches or rough prototypes, or we'll do something like Velcro modeling, which is what this first workshop is going to be about, where we start to construct things that we can show to people before we've done any kind of engineering or any kind of very serious design work. We start to look at concepts and ways we might accomplish something. And then we build, we iterate, we experiment. We create things that are more and more refined as we learn more. And that leads us to detailed design. And this is where we create something that's much more ready for prime time. We've created something that's pretty much what we think the audience wants, based on what we've learned about their context, the universe they live in, the requirements we built based on that, the designs we created that we think will solve that problem, and then what we learned when we evaluated that with the people who are actually going to use that product or service. And then we take what we learned from this and we develop a real design. And we may continue to prototype and iterate after this. And we may do things like design for manufacture. We may talk about marketing or business development. But this is a process we tend to follow to help our clients move from an idea or a technology, whatever that may be, all the way to some kind of a product that their customers want or a service that meets their needs.